Hello everyone, what's up? Well, my serotonin levels are really up talking to you. So in the next coming 4 to 5 minutes, we would like to share our experience of our recent endeavor. In 2019 December, we got ourselves registered in an SAE event called ETWDC. So wondering what is SAE? SAE is amplified to Society of Automotive Engineers. So basically SAE works on advanced mobility technology. SAE India is a branch of SAE International which hosts different events based on same mobility technology. So ETWDC, Amplified to Electric Two-Wheeler Design Competition, is one such event hosted by SAE India, where the intention was to draft and construct an electric bike from scratch. So now we, the team of 10 like-minded people, got registered to that event with a team name as Voltacle. Yes, you guessed it right, it is one of Pikachu's signature moves, and we reckon a name suits to the context also. It is an encapsulated description of the event and how it works, so on. So coming to the first step, as part of the event, we had gone to Chennai to attend the workshop there, where we were instructed about event guidelines, do's and don'ts, and we had received a rule book there. It's basically the book on how to design the bike. Now this book is imperative because whatever we do, it's like we shouldn't cross the lines mentioned in the book. It was like our go-to guy sort of thing. So after coming back from Chennai, we knew it was going to be a cumbersome process. After all, it is VBIT's first team since its inception, and believe me, every one of us had cold feet. It was daunting. So on the bright side, we had great folks in our team striving towards a common goal. So to place our foot in the door, we had done a model based on thermocols, chats, small tags, and we had used Chase from Engineering Graphics Lab. So after performing some calculation, we had chosen appropriate motor, battery, and whole powertrain system. So taking our rider dimensions, we had started to design the frame and had placed orders of many parts and even procured some of the parts too. But here comes the plot twist. Thanks to COVID, event only ends at design part. There is no fabrication. And we were dumbstruck because some decent amount of money was on the line too. So everything was scattered for some time. By taking now, again we had continued to work. By taking all the inputs, we had started to design the bike in one of the CAD softwares. So from here, one of our teammates will continue, so stay tuned.
Hey everyone, hope you are doing fine during the pandemic. As my previous teammate said, this event had two stages. One being the design stage, that is wherein virtual stage, and the second being the manufacturing stage, wherein we have to manufacture and fabricate the bike which we had designed. But unfortunately, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the SAE council members had to cancel this dynamic event due to the fact that there were social distancing norms and lockdown going on. So the problem was it clashed with our timetable, wherein we had already bought our components for the bike like motor and battery. But since it was a rule, we couldn't do anything against it. So after that, we submitted the designs which we had done and also the analysis for the reviews. We had to wait a long time until we got the result from the reviews, and hopefully lucky enough we found out that our hard work had paid off, because in the first review we were in the top 5, our estimations, and in the second review we came second and final review, we got a third position in the national level. And fortunately and with all the hard work we had put into it, we came a long way from using thermocols as a ratio scale and to doing analysis in SolidWorks software. So I would like to thank our faculty advisor, Dr. Ajit Kumar Katwa, and also a special thanks to Ramakrishna sir for helping us in all our calculations and problems. I'd also like to thank our chairman and our principal for their unbelievable support. This was a huge journey which ended well for us because of all the hard work we had put into it. Signing off, Team Voltacle.